He's dressed in a traditional costume, and the outer skirt is called the likuvoivoi. It's made from the leaves of the pandanus plant. It's the same leaves we use to weave our mats and hats and baskets, even the sails of our canoes. Armbands and ankle bands called besa are made from the bark of the wild hibiscus tree. The iwawi in the hands, the mbatiniwaka necklace, and the gumo on the face are symbols of authority.
Isa mula binakuna turang kanamarama. Wawunatang nom niya sumay walalang na sunani kwa. Namarotungo na meke. Bula binaka.
Bula binaka.
Konga.
Inina sanina mama nai wau nai wau ni wanua anga kano nai wau ni wanua anga kano hoya binaka na no muido hobuke ya ena sina no
The waters performed Gaveka level, a dance talking of movement and migration in the Pacific.
Wasa! Oh, yeah, David level, Druani, somebody, Magana, Lova, Nina, Magana, Gilagi, Waka, and the one is talking of Soma, Niki, and I want to get a Maravia, and I'm going to be like that. No, I'm a come to get out. Who are you? I want to level by the body, and I was because of the idea. I was down to the one.
Well, a hand for the warriors and Gaveka level, talking of movement and migration in the Pacific. The young ladies continue the story of migration with the dance Oniwakaroromo. Listen to my story of migration.
Oniwakarona veya sarui taranoi magamataroi taranoi magamataroi lembai valui magasarona lembai valui magasarona metai samuginazo Antoni Valasano Sayina Matawira Oh iya Tavera Gavanua Mata Adonaya Gavanua Mata Amode Kota Maravani Mata Amode Kota Maravani Mata Asongo Nivaga Naina Kawa Asongo Nivaga Naina Kawa Asesea Etadu Maiwas Asesea Etadu Maiwas Anai Oh yeah, the boy can luanga, the boy can luanga, Rasugu Ramu Nevarama, Rasugu Ramu Nevarama, the Nagari Karuanga, with the Nagari Karuanga, Saviro, and Masamasa, Saviro, and Masamasa, yeah.
And a hand for the ladies, and the men return with the Metaula, the men's drop dance to bring victory in battle.
Ivaruna Yadu, Senai Varuna, Boniga Varu, Senai Varuna, Boniga,
What a hand for the dancers. The ladies will join them to perform a contemporary number for you. We invite you to clap along as they sing and dance for you. Everybody. Our dancers will come down and invite some of you to join us on stage for the female version of the bunny hop, or the bunny hop, whatever you want to call it. Come up and have some fun with us. Come on up, Wilkes. The Wilkes family. Come up and represent. Join the train. Here you go. Join the train. Join the train. Come up and join the train. Change direction. One more time. Now swing it, swing, 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 swing.